This is the new NXT 15 from CTEK, a smart, tough and powerful charger that gives you confidence in every charge. With the NXT series, we've taken our award-winning Swedish technology to the next level, with more power, versatility and control than ever before. The NXT 15 is built for all 12-volt batteries, from performance cars and trucks to boats and leisure vehicles. And it's the perfect choice when you want fast, reliable charging that can handle anything. And like every CTEK charger, it's super easy to use. Just connect it, select your program, and let it do the work. It's got dedicated modes for lead-acid and lithium batteries, and once it starts, it runs fully automatically. You can even leave it connected for long periods of time without risk of overcharging, as the NXT 15 automatically switches to maintenance mode when the battery is fully charged. The clamps are spark-free and reverse polarity protected, so you can connect with confidence. And the rubberized cable stays strong and flexible, even in cold conditions. The temperature sensor fine-tunes the charging voltage automatically, giving you optimal performance both in hot and cold weather. Plus, with patented desulfation and a reconditioning mode, the NXT 15 can revive deeply discharged batteries and extend their lifespan. When you need a constant power supply, the supply mode gives you a constant 13.6 volts at 15 amps, perfect during service work or when you want to maintain settings while the battery is disconnected. So, if you want a charger that's powerful, easy to use and built to perform on both lead-acid and lithium batteries, the CTEK NXT 15 is the charger for you.